All right, so let's take a look outside. Doesn't look good at all. A lot of wet weather,
no.
dark clouds.
It's just gloomy and dreary, and with the clouds in place, we're seeing a bit of drizzle and some rain here and there, but the clouds may actually help to inhibit some of the instability in the atmosphere. So if we get some breaks in the clouds later on, then we'll see more of the thunderstorms firing up. But right now, it's just a very cloudy live look from our downtown Miami camera. If you are headed out for lunch, I would suggest you still keep your umbrella close by, as we could see some showers, possibly some storms later for the commute. There still could be some street flooding since we had all the rain yesterday. The ground's already saturated, and the potential for some lightning. So moderate risk of rip currents and water spouts possible, because you can see just how active it is out to our east offshore over the Atlantic waters and down near the straits, but not looking as soggy as this morning. The bulk of the action today has been across the Keys, and we're going to zoom in right now. We're seeing most of the wet weather across the Upper Keys and Ocean Reef. And also we've had some wet weather lingering around portions of Homestead, Cutler Bay, Kendall, Tamiami, Key Biscayne, even outside our studios here in Doral. We've had some rain and wet weather across Aventura and Hollywood, but we're not seeing any lightning on the radar. So that's good news, as yesterday was quite dangerous at times and we had torrential downpours. Checking out some of the highest rainfall totals, again, the bulk of the action has been down in the Conch Republic, Key West, picking up about 1.5 inches of rain and about 1/3 of an inch of rain right here in Doral outside our studios at CBS 4 in Coconut Creek. We're seeing about 1/4 inch of rain, and the breeze right now out of the southeast anywhere from 8 to 17 miles per hour. So that's what's going on at the surface, and we still have a bit of a southwesterly steering flow aloft that's helping to drag in the moisture from the Caribbean and the Yucatan. Right now, temperatures sitting in the low 80s because of the clouds. 82 in Fort Lauderdale, 81 in Miami. Look at that. We can call it cool. And Homestead was 78, but it's still muggy with 84 degrees in Marathon and Key West. So here's what's happening. We have the stubborn stalled frontal boundary just to the north near Lake Okeechobee. Behind it, we have cooler and drier fall-like weather. Look at that, 65 in Jacksonville, low 70s in Gainesville and Tallahassee, but warmer and humid to the south of that front. Snap and share the view from your neighborhood. Look at this ominous shot sent in by our viewer, Sandra K. Booth. That was from Lauderdale by the Sea. The tropical moisture and the front six around through tomorrow, and that means we'll see some more storms on the breeze. Right now, the weekend is looking slightly better. The rain chance will go down, more of our typical rainy season pattern. But for today, still a good chance of some rain, a few downpours, even some storms later. 85 tonight. Lows will fall to the upper 70s, on and off again showers. And if you are boating, seas 2 to 4, a moderate chop on the bay. Still unsettled today, tomorrow, but as we head into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, highs in the upper 80s and a mix of sun and storms.
All right.